In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to link your American Express card to your PayPal account. This is a handy way to streamline your online payments and make transactions more convenient. Let's get started with the process. First, open your web browser and navigate to PayPal's homepage. You'll need to log in with your credentials if you're not already logged in. Having your PayPal account open and ready ensures a smoother flow as we proceed with the linking process. Once you're logged into your PayPal dashboard, look for the option labeled Link a Bank. This is typically found by clicking on the Wallet tab, which is usually located at the top of the page. Clicking this will initiate the process of linking your American Express card to your PayPal account. Now, a new page will pop up where you'll be prompted to provide details about the bank or card you wish to link. In this case, you'll want to type in American Express in the provided field. This helps PayPal recognize the specific institution we are trying to connect with your account. As you proceed, you'll be asked to provide the bank code associated with your American Express card. Take a moment to locate this information, which is usually readily available on your account statements or by contacting American Express directly if needed. Correctly entering the bank code is crucial for ensuring successful linkage between your card and your PayPal account. Next comes the step of entering your account number. This is a unique identifier for your specific card within the American Express system. Make sure to input this number carefully, as a single error could prevent the card from being successfully linked to PayPal. Double-check your entry to avoid any potential hiccups. Once all your details have been accurately entered, you'll see an option to link your bank. Clicking this button sends a request to PayPal to connect your American Express card. This might take a moment as PayPal processes the information. Afterward, PayPal may conduct a quick verification process to confirm the connection. And there you go. Your American Express card should now be linked to your PayPal account, allowing you to make online transactions with ease. If you encounter any issues along the way, PayPal's support section is always a helpful resource for troubleshooting and providing additional guidance. This linking process not only simplifies transactions but adds a layer of security and convenience to your online payments. Enjoy the seamless experience of having your American Express card readily available within your PayPal account. Thank you for watching today, and happy transacting.